If you feel like your time is not going good, a bad period has erupted in your life, you might be thinking you need to work hard to get right result. But whatever you do, it's not giving you right result or good result. You might be going under panic attack or stress or sleeplessness nights to think about how to get out of this situation. First of all, you need to understand whatever you are doing, it is not giving you right result. That means your time is not supporting you. Your bad period is going on. There is nothing, something you can call it's good or bad, but something is not going on your way. That means it's a bad period for you. So how to get out of it and what are the things need to be done, that we are going to discuss in this video. Namo Himalaya. Lots of love and prayers for you. Before that, I would like to tell you one thing. There are certain Vedic scriptures have already revealed something secret has to be opened up in our life as a lesson that we need to understand. It is very simple. By implementing this, it will be very, very easy for your life. Your days will be going very smooth. Second thing, you will feel like you are becoming powerful in day-to-day life. You will be able to see yourself as a great decision maker. So all these things you can get benefit out of it. And the best part of it, whatever you are going to do for your work, whatever you are focusing in your life, it will give you right result. First of all, you need to understand time is very, very powerful. And we all are servant of this time. Just think yourself that you are working under a company. So when your bus is about to come, you need to fulfill everything before your bus arrives. Suppose your time is something specific 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. You will be trying to reach on time before your bus arrives. You might have some tasks to represent it on behalf of your time. You need to finish it off before he arrives. So why all these efforts you are doing? That means you want your boss to be pleased on you. You want your boss to have a good intention on you. You want your boss to have a great attention for you or for your work. That's why you are doing everything in a disciplined manner. If you feel like your life is not giving you good result, what does it mean? There is a deep meaning that something you have done wrong, knowingly or unknowingly, towards time, because time is very, very powerful. We all should give respect to the time. If you ever gave unrespectful or disrespectful to time energy, then it will also show the result. Maybe you have done something before, now by not flowing with time, but it is life is giving you good result. But suddenly you will feel like it is not working anymore. That means there were something auspicious energy were working for you, even if you were not flowing with time. Now the time has already arrived. You need to create your life by the flow of discipline, by the flow of time. All should do something in our life by respecting the time. When we will do everything in our life by respecting time, time will also support us. Even if today you are feeling like time is not favorable for you, few days later after implementing this curriculum, this discipline in your life, time will start helping you getting your good result on time. That's how your life will become more enhancement. You just think that whatever you will do, everything will create a good result in your life. You will see an enormous growth in your life. You will be also attract some powerful people in your life who is exactly respectful to the time. That's how you can change your life in a better way. So those are the things that has already revealed in our Vedic structures, our ancient India scriptures. But somehow we are lacking some information in our modern world. But how to make a better discipline for the time, to respect time, is all you need to do is just look at your schedule, everyday schedule, where you exactly spend time on what. Sometimes what happens, people feel like it's very fun to spend somewhere in like party or something, and they just forget the time schedules and they do something in by replacing the beautiful time, the meaningful time. So life will also show the result as it is, like that. If you have some schedules in your life which is not helping you in your life, you feel like those time you are wasting. Those time is not helping you to do something meaningful. You need to replace them with something is going to be meaningful in your life. The more you will respect in your life, in your work, with respect to time, then life will also give you right result. That's what I wanted to receive in this video. If you feel like this video has been informative, please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And if you feel like something is going to be informative or helpful to someone, please share this channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until our next video. Namo Himalaya.